Good morning, dear student. In this video, we will talk about what is the thermodynamics equilibriums or some thermodynamics process which we call the reversibles or irreversible process. Now, first we will define what is the a thermodynamics equilibriums. Equilibriums is a state as we see in last video equilibriums on whose basis we can define in mostly three way. These are thermal equilibriums, mechanical equilibriums and chemical equilibriums. A system would like to say in the thermodynamics equilibrium if it follows all the rules of these three equilibriums. We can say that if a thermodynamic system here, and this is our atmosphere, it is our system and it is our atmosphere, then system will be in thermodynamics equilibriums if this system is thermal equilibriums with surrounding space or atmosphere, mechanical equilibriums with the surrounding atmosphere, and also in chemical equilibriums with surrounding space, then it would like to be say in thermodynamics equilibriums. Now we are interested to say that what is the concept of process. The process, the mean of that there is a way to change in any system is called process. For examples, if in this pot, if I have some ice cube and I heat this ice cube, the ice cube in this pot is our first state. When we applied heat, then it will ice cube will change its property, and according to by absorbing heat it will change in water. Then this is our second state. So this is the process which comes from one state to another state. It's called process. Then the process in thermodynamics are two types. First is reversible process. What is the mean of a reversible process? The reversible process are those process which after a cycle or applying in reverse directions, the first initial state will be achieved. For examples, in this system, first it was in ice cube form, a solid state form. When we applied heat, then it comes in water state. Then, if it process is reverse, when we apply heat, if we take energy from this water, or we can say that if we absorb the energy, so by reducing the temperature, if state 2 is comes in state first, then we will say that it is a reversible process, otherwise it will be called a irreversible process. Further example of reversible process, that if I have a piston and it fell off ideal gas, when I applied a force on this pistons, then it sends its conditions initial state from A to B. But when I remove the force which was applied on these pistons, then it comes its earlier state, then it will be called a reversible process. There are some conditions of reversible process. Reversible process always applied in very slowly. There is restrictions of speed, so we can't say that there will be speed which would be applied on system. So I hope that you can understand what is the mean of irreversible process. On the other hand, irreversible process are those process which cannot be get initial state by applying all the process in reverse directions and reverse order. So example of this irreversible process, if I have a bike and I would like to drive it, then what will be happen after it will have some kinetic energy. But when we'll apply the brake, then it will stop due to the frictions, and as the result of this, due to frictions, my kinetic energy of this bike is converts in the heat. So there is a conversion of energy, kinetic energy into heat. So if I reverse this, if I give the heat to this tire, then as the result of this cycle will to move, but it is not possible. So it's called its reversible process. So I hope that you can better understand what is the reversible and irreversible process in thermodynamics. In next lecture, we would like to teach about some interactions in thermodynamic systems and the microscopic and macroscopic system. Thank you.